Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can activate Wisely card. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, it's a very easy method, so watch till the end. Now go ahead, open up your browser, access the official website mywisely.com. As soon as you have done that, this is how the interface gonna look like, which with the option of activate card. Go ahead, tap on it. As soon as you have done that, currently since it's not available in my region, the access has been denied. But in the other interface, you will find this little activation form. You have to sign in for that as well. Go ahead, add in your card information and then add your expiration date right over here. It will also ask some other information. Check out on the back of your card and add in the information as it asks. Tap on activate at the bottom and you will be able to activate your Wisely card likewise. If it doesn't help, you're always welcome for the customer service to be calling over there. Even you will find the number in the back of your card as well. Call them, ask them what further you can do or what other way you can activate, and you will be able to do so. So I hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.